Thanks for tuning in today to the Daily Message. We began the Daily Message when we started the parish app, and I'm very grateful to Mark on our staff who's carried the Daily Message through this first month or two. We'd like to begin something different today as we begin the season of Lent. I'm going to give an introduction for a few days to Lent itself, but the most important thing is we've invited different men and women and youth from the parish to share their own reflections about what Lent means to them or what they might be doing for Lent, or even a reflection on the scripture of that particular day. What I want to start with today in today's readings is Lent is first and foremost a joyful season. This is not a season about sadness or just giving something up. This is the beginning of a road to Easter, a beginning of new life. And whether it's a new life for our marriage or a new life for a friendship or a new life for ourselves as we approach a particular part of it, it's a joyful season. The second thing in the scriptures themselves say that it's something the whole community does. It's not an individual action. The whole community of faith says we want to return to our God and ask for his blessings. It says call the men, the women, the elders, the children, the bridegroom, everybody. But the other thing that the gospel stresses very much is even though we do it as a community, each of us as individuals have this very intimate relationship with our God, where we're not fasting, giving alms, and praying in public for everybody else to see, but we go to an inner room, that quietest part of ourself, to simply say, where is my God inviting me to grow? So I hope during Lent it's joyful for you, that it's community with each other, and that it's very intimate with our God. Thank you.